Out, RV Life, DJ Darren here. Got a little bit of back noise. We got some construction at a house next door, but we're gonna do this. I just finished my pieces, so my piece down there I'll show you in a second, but here's my piece for my water. This is my new water inlet. I just put the caulking all the way around it, so this is a kind of good idea. I got painter's tape, and the excess I was able to just wipe on here, and I'm gonna pull that off. But so I just finished it. Basically, there used to only be two things in here, and then down here was where you screwed in the faucet. Down here used to be where you put your city water in, you screw the hose in and it's tight, where you have constant water. But I got rid of that. This one has all three of them, so it's got your regular pour-in water from a hose. You just kind of hold it, it just kind of sits in there. And this one you have a screw on, so this one, this one screws into the hose permanently for city water, and then this little hole right here, that's the breather. That's the breather, so when water gets in there, air needs to escape the tank, so air escapes through that little hose, that little hole right there. But anyway, so this is my new water, all combined. I'm going to seal this up, and then this will still be a spigot again that you can turn on and off to empty the tank, but I use it for outside water to wash my hands and whatnot. So it's my little outside water faucet will be right there. Eliminate that, and then this is all nice and clean. This, don't get me started on that gas filler. That's another video. So check it out, pretty cool. Locking, there we go. Pop this back in there, and this locks up, and it's super cool. So got that all in there. Got even the white bolts on there. Caulking done. Super good. Let me show you the other one here. So basically what I did on these is on the outside edge, on the other side, on the outside edge, I ran just outdoor caulking, white caulking, weatherproof caulking. I ran on the outside of that. And then on the inside of that, I ran the adhesive. So like caulking adhesive, which it makes it adhere. So the adhesive's on the inside area, and then the outside strip is caulking. Some of it comes out. I want it to do that, and then I'll fill the outside too as well to make it all watertight as well. But the inside bead is adhesive, and then down the center I did adhesive too. And then I had to put wood strips behind the RV stuff, so that these screws could go into some real wood, because it was kind of, BS styrofoam and little fake board stuff. So I screwed, or I staple gunned and glued some real strips of wood behind there, like a big strip behind here, and then a strip there, and strip there, and then a bottom strip. So these all go in real tight. So the whole thing screwed and glued, caulking outside strip, adhesive the inside strip. So both of them I did like that. And so this is my vent for my fan to fan out heat from the electronic box, and then this is the door that opens to plug in my 30 amp connection or my 50 amp. And I can also plug in to my inverter, but that'll be wired in permanently to the system. But if I want to plug in 120 to my inverter, it's right there. But they all go through this little hole, and then I can lock that, so it can be all in there and done. I think I'm going to put twist lock, so I'm doing those right now, and I think I'm going to do twist lock inside. So twist lock power connections, and then shut this door, lock it, and it's all secure. But anyway, there's that. Both of them done, finally done. And on to the next deal now. Shoot. What do we got? Probably going to paint that piece too to match it, so it matches. But yeah, alright you guys, on to the next video. Peace.